I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's your latest Weather on Demand forecast. Here are a couple of snow icons for you to show the storm report for the day on Saturday. Not a whole lot of snow, just an additional 2 to as much as 4 across Munising, Grand Marais, and of course the western UP and the Keweenaw, Painesdale, and Houghton. An additional few inches for Ironwood as well. Just keep tacking on those totals where we are over 180 inches strong from Copper Harbor, according to the weather watcher out that way. We do, though, we're going to be seeing more snow as we have winter storm watches in effect through Monday afternoon and Monday morning for Delta and for areas in Manistee, southern Schoolcraft County. We'll begin really overnight on Sunday into the day on Monday. Several inches of accumulation of snow, and those areas, specifically towards Manistee, highlighting areas or snow totals over 8 inches. So this is going to be one to watch for sure. Notice the last 12 hours of the radar loop, though, shows this lake effect snow going back over Lake Superior from whence it came. But here's this next disturbance that's going to be kicking up. It's still far away yet in Manitoba, and going to be tracking really hightailing to the south and east, affecting our weather for the day on Sunday into Monday. So until then, a very frigid night in store for us, even contending with record cold across the west. But then the clouds will increase from west to east on Sunday, getting ready for big snows Monday through Tuesday for a lot of folks here. Both lakes going to be getting on lake effect snow action. Here are the highs for the day on Saturday. Mid-teens across the east down in Manistee and out in Newberry as well, but the coldness of the air contained off in the interior western UP. Once again, only single digits. But get this, right now the temperatures have plummeted to almost 20 degrees sub-zero in places like Ironwood and Iron River. Otherwise, closer to the north, we are at least above zero for now. Although areas in, say, Ishpeming and Negaunee, the higher elevations, they are just below zero, and it's going to be a frigid night wherever you are this evening. Currently, 24 degrees below International Falls, so there's the Arctic air is back, and it's in charge of a lot of weather all across the Midwest, plains, and northeast. We can see that the skies have really cleared out under this Arctic high pressure, which is continuing to gather strength and push off to the east, and that will continue to funnel back the lake effect snow over the course of the night on Saturday into Sunday. So clear skies to start is how we will begin our Sunday, but also a larger shot here of the jet stream of the next storm system way out in the Gulf of California and going into the Gulf of Alaska as well. This is going to be a big buckle in the jet stream, which is exactly why we have the reinforcing shot of Arctic air right now. But then say by the end of the week, or at least next week, that's when we'll start to see a break from this Arctic pattern, and we'll finally see temperatures closer to average and even breaking freezing, being optimistic there. But here's the scene for Saturday or the rest of Sunday into Monday. You can see that the clouds generally increase from west to east throughout the course of the day on Sunday. So definitely you will need to pay attention to the forecast heading into your morning commute on Monday. It's going to be a tricky one, and very slippery roads are in store for us heading into Monday morning. Your local forecast calls for temperatures 20 degrees below zero across the far west, otherwise 2 above in the east, and everywhere else in between there, generally between 10 to 15 degrees sub-zero, mainly across the interior portions. For the day tomorrow, 7 above to right around 16. We'll have increasing cloudiness throughout the day on Sunday. Your TV6 extended forecast shows heavy snow. Again, accumulations over 8 inches, even close to a foot of snow, downwind of both Lake Michigan and Superior. First, it's going to be the first half of the day closer to Schoolcraft County, the southern portion, and then into Delta County. Then we transition those winds from the north, and that means areas, say, Alger County, Marquette, Baraga, and the Keweenaw Peninsula all getting in on more heavy lake snows. Continuing into Tuesday, that is the trend. But things do quiet down heading into next week.